In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry, and as always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So given diagram as shown, when you see diagram as shown, generally you have straight angles, and we do here angle HJK and angle LJG. Straight angles have 180 degrees. So here we go, make three equations. Well, the three equations we can make are these two add up to 180. So x plus 2y plus x squared plus 2y equals 180. We can go around this side, and we have x squared plus 2y plus 3x minus 2y equals 180. And then we have that these two angles here and here are congruent because they're vertical angles. X plus 2y equals 3x minus 2y. Now, we have two unknowns, so we need two. We can use any two of the equations, so let's use these two. So we have x squared, collecting like terms, plus x plus 4y equals 180. And down here we have negative 2x plus 4y equals 0, collecting terms on this side. Now you'll notice that there's a 4y in here, so we can solve this. 4y equals 2x, then x squared plus x plus 4y, which is then plus 2x equals 180. So then x squared plus 3x minus 180 equals 0. So now we're going to factor it if we can. We need two factors of 180 that subtract because this is negative 2, 3. And that is going to be 12 and 15. So x plus 15 and x minus 12. So here we go. X equals negative 15. X equals 12. So taking this one again, collecting like terms on the left side, negative 2x plus 4y equals 0. So if it's negative 15, then that is 30 plus 4y equals 0. And then y equals negative 30 over 4 or negative 15 over 2. Or if x is 12, that's negative 24 plus 4y equals 0. And then y equals 6. Okay. So now in red, let's put these pairs up here. X equals negative 15, y equals negative 15 over 2, or x equals 12, y equals 6. Now you can see just from this first one that if x is negative and y is negative, and we add them together, that's going to give us a negative. So that's not going to work. But if we do x equals 12 and y equals 6, so x equals 12, that's 12, plus 6 times 2 is another 12, so that's 24 degrees. Over here, if x is 12, that's 36 minus, so 36 minus 12 is 24 again. Coming up here, 12 squared is 144, plus another 12, so that is 156 degrees. And then 156 plus 20 is 176, plus another 4 is 180, and that is our check. As always, when you have algebra from geometry, you should plug back in your variables to see if you have extraneous solutions, especially if you have a quadratic in the first expressions. This is one of those that you're just going to have to go through several times. It will make more sense the more you do it.